Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start fast. Make sure you're signed into an account with permission to modify system UI. Once ready, open Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+S or right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. This gets you straight to the tool. If it opens as a compact window, click More Details to reveal full controls and process lists. This matters because the full view exposes options and lets you see whether any apps are preventing taskbar movement. Now proceed to adjust settings. You'll reposition the Task Manager next. Click and hold its title bar and drag it down until the window aligns with the bottom edge of your display. This achieves visual placement. Once there, use the resize handles to set the height so it sits flush above or overlapping the taskbar depending on your goal. Make sure to disable a locked or auto-hidden taskbar in settings if it prevents placement. This ensures the window stays put. After resizing, verify interfaces remain readable and accessible. Finish by confirming the placement. If you want Task Manager to remain docked to the bottom consistently, consider a window management utility that locks position, otherwise rely on manual placement each session. Once done, make sure to test by opening other apps and toggling the taskbar to confirm behavior. If the window won't stay, restart Explorer or sign out and back in to force UI settings to reapply. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, restart Task Manager and toggle taskbar auto hide or lock to resolve conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.